Well, good morning. Williams, Philippines. It is Monday, July 7th at noon. Hope everybody's doing good. I hope you had a good weekend. Uh, Tired. Anyway, getting a few things taken care of, trying to go around and show my car to a few people. Went and washed it out, vacuumed it. Vacuum hose kept coming off the machine. Car wash needs to get that fixed. I mean, seriously, don't get me wrong, I understand it's a free vacuum if you pay them to wash your car. But yeah, you need to have a vacuum that actually works. I had to go back and reattach that thing like 5 times before I finally gave up on it. Uh, Supposed to carry my car over to show somebody tomorrow. Swung by and picked up 2 more prescriptions. 2 more will be ready on Wednesday. Oy. Such fun stuff. Uh, I don't know. It's a lot of things going on. I feel like I'm a 3 ring circus going on, and me, myself, and I, none of us are agreeing on anything. Yeah. We're trying to go in 5 different directions. 3 of us. uh, I don't know. It's one of them days. Mm. But it's okay. Just think it through, make plans, follow them as best you can, listen to God's laughing at you for planning, and then continue to try. Enjoy the moment. Even on days where it stresses you out, enjoy the present. It could have been worse. Folks got to always remember it could have been worse and be thankful it wasn't. And hey, on days that they're shooting at you, remember to be thankful that they're missing. Yeah, just saying. It could be worse. Uh, hey. Yeah, it's coming up. It's a little past noon now, and like I said, I'm ready for this to be over with. I got a couple minor things to do before I go to bed. That's exactly what I want to do is go to bed. I'm tired. Uh, Yesterday I came home and passed out and woke up, ate, and passed back out. And I ended up with 10 and a half, almost 11 hours yesterday of sleep. And then I'm wiped out today. uh, I needed it yesterday, though. And I got things done today. So, yay. Sleep's always good. You know, the older we get, the more we realize we like naps. We like sleep. And yeah, I mean, think about it. When we was a kid, we didn't want to get spanked and we didn't want to take naps. Now it's like spanking could be fun and taking a nap. Oh, yes, please. 6 hours. Okay, 2, 3 hours. You know what I mean? Just saying. Anyway, it's been one of those days. I'm hoping to get some things taken care of. I still got stuff I need to carry over to my aunt. Uh, oh, there's just so much to do. It doesn't seem like there's enough time to do all of it. It's okay. Life does go on. Anyway, this is going to be a short one. I'm tired. I need sleep. Anyway, Williams, Philippines, like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. Because, hey, it's your thing. Deal with it. Enjoy it. Stay in the present. Learn from the past. Be in the present. Prepare for the future. That's all we can do. Anyway, Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family, and I hope your work week's an easy one for you, because it's so much fun. Anyway, later blessings, bye bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.